Hey fam! So I wanted to do a quick video talking about essential oils and Young Living and why you should use Young Living's essential oils and why you should use essential oils at all. So real quick, this is my favorite diffuser in the galaxy, but just because I don't know if you can see me through what's happening here, I'm gonna move it a little bit. There we go. So, why Young Living? Young Living is an amazing, amazing company. I feel so fortunate and privileged to be working with them. Before I knew about Young Living, I thought all essential oils were the same, and that's just not true. Unfortunately, there's a ton of essential oil products out there that say that they're 100% pure, and it's just not true. And so Young Living is really amazing because they have complete open door policy on how they make their oils. You can see their farms, you can see the process, and their process is really, really special in how they take care of everything from the seeds going in the ground, the soil, to harvesting, to distilling the oils. It's amazing. And these are 100% the best oils that are being made right now. So when people talk about using essential oils for your wellness and for your health, you want to be using the highest therapeutic grade of oils, and that's what Young Living gives you. So if you're looking to use essential oils for emotional support, for health benefits, for, literally all of the good stuff, you need to use Young Living. They are amazing. So I'm going to chat a little bit about the 10 everyday oils because these are the ones that you will use literally every day in your house for your kids, for your family, for your skin, for all the things. So I wanted to chat about these specifically. Just real quick, no worries. It's not going to take long. So let's start with the top row. These are vitality oils. What that means is they are safe to digest. And they give you vitality. I don't know. But so these are absolutely amazing. You can put them in your beverages. You can put them in your food. Some of them, so even like thieves or digize, I just put underneath my tongue. So we'll start with this. Lemon is amazing for hydration. If you work out a ton, put this in your water before you work out. It'll help you keep hydrated through your workout or just through your normal daily life. It's also amazing to clean gunky stuff, any kind of stickers, stuff that you can't get out with normal cleaner. This is your winner. Copaiba from Brazil. Fancy. This here is amazing for anti-inflammatory. So I like to put it in my muscle relief roller. You can also use it for teething babies or skin inflammation. It's amazing. Digize. This bad boy has saved many in our household. It's great for digestion. So on the tummy, you can put it outside topically, or you can digest it. Amazing results with this. Thieves is the bad boy of all oils. If you don't feel well, if you have anything going on, roll it on the bottom of your feet, put it underneath your tongue, just get it in you, and it will world's difference. So it is the immunity support, immunity booster of them all. Peppermint is great for a ton of things. I especially use this for when I was pregnant for morning sickness. It's great for if you have a sore throat. There's so many things you can do with peppermint oil, and it smells amazing. So I love diffusing it as well. And then on the bottom, you see there's 10. We'll start with lavender. Y'all, lavender is just amazing for so many reasons. Great for skin. It helps your skin tissue regenerate faster. So great for wounds, anything like that. It also just makes your skin feel amazing, and it smells like glory. And lavender was usually what I see as an entry essential oil. I started using it with one of my children, but it wasn't Young Living, and it actually gave me intense migraines. We had to stop using it, and that's when I was like, essential oils don't work, we're not going to have them in our house. And that is why it's so important to pay attention to what the bottle says, what the label says, to know what brands you're using. Don't just use anybody's lavender, y'all. Don't do it. It's not good for you. But so I 100%, this lavender, now, it's one of my favorite things. Like, we diffuse it every day. It's great for calming, relaxation, stuff like that. Raven was interesting for me. So it is great for congestion. Like, if you are sick, it will open up your lungs. But like, you know, you're not sick all the time. So I was like, what can I use it for? And I've actually found out, and so this is more for if you're into fitness or anything, it's amazing to replace a pre-workout. So pre-workouts generally have some nasty stuff in there. I mean, they're effective, but not really great for you if you're trying to live a natural lifestyle. So this is an amazing replacement. It will oxygenate your blood, get you flowing. Like, it's great to just get you pumped before a workout. So that is my favorite way to use Raven. Citrus Fresh just smells amazing. But it really, sorry, I just got a message. So it is great at purifying your air, and not just like covering odors. That's the great thing about essential oils. It's not like spraying Febreze around. It literally eliminates them. So it makes your house smell amazing. Gets rid of, I like diffusing this after like cooking broccoli or bacon or anything that's like a real strong smell that you do not want to stay in your house after you're done eating it. Frankincense, I love this for skin. So it'll give a beautiful glow to your skin. There's a million ways to use frankincense. It's really, really an amazing oil. And then Panaway, which was my number one for a long time. Both me and my husband love Panaway because it's for muscle relief. So post-pregnancy, this was my best friend. I rolled it on my hips every day, on my back, lower back. It literally was a game changer. I didn't have to take any pain medication this time around. And this is my third kid. So Panaway is the winner. And these are what we call the 10 everyday oils. A premium starter kit with Young Living gives you all of these, a diffuser of your choice, like this glorious beast, and also this oil called Stress Away. Now, Stress Away is really cool. It took a second for the smell to grow on me, but I used it even though I wasn't a super fan of the smell because it works. And most people, I have to say this, most people actually love Stress Away. They use it as perfume. Most people are like hands-on for it. But what I love about it is that if you are feeling stressed out, like, just sniff this bad boy, put it on your neck, put it on your chest, put it on your wrists. It is amazing. When I was doing late nights after Lo was born, literally this got me like through the nights, like in a good mood. And so I am a firm believer in emotional support using essential oils. They are amazing, and this is one of the best right here, and you get it in the starter kit too. So that's just an overview of the everyday oils with Young Living. If you are not using essential oils yet, you want to. I promise you, they will change the game. They have literally changed everything for our entire family, for our household. We use them from when we wake up in the morning to when we go to bed at night. They are everywhere in our house, and I love them so much. So if you don't have a kit yet, make sure to grab one. I will put a link in the comments so that you can. Also, if you want to know more about Young Living, please contact us. We love it. We love for you to join our team, our tribe. We love introducing oils to new people because they're amazing. Why not? And there's so many other good things that you can get into with Young Living, and I'd love to share it with you. So either drop a comment or find us on Instagram, connect with us. We'd love to have you, and make sure that you get your kit, okay? Thanks for watching.